This is what I'm preparing today, my Gibs all-purpose seasoning, and the seasoning is for all meat, chicken, fish. Welcome to my cooking channel. These are the ingredients for today. On this plate here, I have lemon, garlic, chili, paprika. On the bigger plate, I have red onion, tomatoes, red peppers, green peppers, extra virgin olive oil, black pepper, sea salt, dijon mustard, dark soya sauce, white vinegar. On this small plate I have jumbo cubes and fresh ginger. Okay, now I'll just rough cut my red peppers, green peppers, tomato, garlic, ginger, lemon zest, paprika. Now I'm gonna add olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. Then I'll add my lemon juice. A little bit of my white vinegar. Little bit of sea salt. Little bit of ground black pepper. Jumbo cubes, multi-purpose one, jumbo cubes. Okay, now I'll put it in the oven. But before that, you have to put your oven on to 180 degrees. The way you put it on, you can put it back to 150 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. Now I take out the seasoning off from the oven. Now I'm gonna put in the blender, blend it, then add my soya sauce, dijon mustard, and also seasoning. I'll test and see and add more seasoning to my taste. Now I'm gonna blend the seasoning. Put it in the blender to blend it. You'll see the process. Okay, now I'm gonna add the dark soya sauce on my all-purpose seasoning and mix it. Now I'm gonna mix it. That's the color you get when you add the dark soya sauce. And the seasoning is for everything: fish, meat, chicken. It's all purpose. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, subscribe, comment, share with friends and family, and please do not forget to click on the notification bell so if I upload a new video, you'll be notified. And also you can follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram.